How do I build a gaming PC in an awkward case? Building a gaming PC in an awkward or unusual case can feel like solving a puzzle, but with the right approach, it becomes manageable and even fun. First, start by measuring the internal dimensions of your case carefully. Use a ruler or tape measure to note the length, width, and height of the space available. Compare these measurements with the sizes of your main components: the motherboard, graphics card, CPU cooler, power supply, and storage drives. This helps you identify any tight spots or clearance issues early on. Next, plan your layout before installing anything. Sketch a simple diagram or lay out the components on a table to visualize where everything will go. Pay attention to mounting points for the motherboard and drives. Some awkward cases lack standard mounting holes or have limited space, so you might need to get creative. Adjustable brackets, risers, or even Velcro straps can help secure components safely. For example, if the case has no dedicated space for a graphics card, you might need to use a custom bracket or secure it with zip ties. Cooling is a key factor in tight or unconventional cases. Look for low-profile CPU coolers that are designed to fit in smaller spaces. Compact all-in-one liquid coolers can also be a good choice if your case supports them. Position case fans strategically to promote good airflow. For instance, place intake fans at the front and exhaust fans at the rear or top to create a steady airflow path. Make sure vents are not blocked by cables or components. Cable management becomes more challenging in cramped spaces. Use shorter cables or custom-length cables to reduce clutter. Route cables along the edges or behind panels whenever possible. This not only improves airflow but also makes the build look cleaner. When installing components, do it step by step. Start with the motherboard, then add the CPU cooler, followed by the graphics card and storage drives. Testing fit as you go prevents having to remove parts later to make room. If the case is extremely unconventional, consider modifying it. Carefully drill or cut additional holes for better airflow or easier mounting. Only do this if you have the right tools and skills to avoid damaging the case or voiding warranties. Always wear safety glasses and work slowly. In summary, building a gaming PC in an awkward case means measuring everything carefully, planning your layout, using custom mounting solutions, and managing cables tightly. Prioritize cooling with low-profile or compact solutions, and install components in a logical order with test fits along the way. If needed, modify the case cautiously to improve airflow or fit. With patience and attention to detail, you can create a powerful gaming machine even in the most unusual cases.